Okay, I wanted to show you guys a problem I was having with this machine. It gives us some TH error 3, and of course you see we are pretty deep into a print and I want to save it. So I was going to show you guys this morning how I saved the print. Alright, the first thing you need to do is, this thing has a resume feature, but right now pause and all that shit doesn't work. Stop will work, but the pause will not. So here's what you do. Turn the machine off, unplug it. This machine has a switch problem, so you unplug it for a second or two and reboot it. Clear. When you reboot it, it will now put the resume back in operation. Press resume, and now the resume operation will leave the bed heating and the effector heating up. While it does that, right now it's going to rest. Now this is not like the pause when it's actually working correctly. When it's working correctly and you hit pause, it gets up and it parks back here. So right now it's waiting for everything to heat up to the correct parameters, and then it's going to go home and then come back down right where it left off. So you need to have cutters ready for when it does that, because it's going to have a blob there that will affect your print later. But we wait until it heats up. In this case, it's 70 degrees on the bed and 220 on the effector. So the bed's now heated up. Now the effector will go ahead and heat on up to 220 degrees. Now in the meantime, it's still sitting there heating up on your print. This is supposed to be a flying dragon. I have attempted all morning and all last night to do so far 4 prints, and I finally figured out this way here to kind of proceed with the print until we get the machine worked on and find out what's wrong with it. Okay, now it's about to go to home. Now it leaves a blob right here, so you want to get it out. So that's out of the way. Now it went to home. Now it's coming back down. And it goes right back to where it was printed. Now we'll have to do this a couple more times with this machine. I don't know, something is wrong with it. It was a Amazon return. This is probably why. But as soon as I figure out what the problem is and correct it, I will let you know.